Starting to get dark again. Okay, I got a solution. If you watched my past two videos, there's extreme latch with these strong magnets, but I took out every other magnet. So now there's 8 magnets on this side. Eight magnets on this side. And what I did is, can you see there's a magnet here, but there's not one straight across. Instead there's one here and one here. So there's kind of a triangle here. And I also have air gap the same on each side. It's about this much. Now it spins much easier. And I can still do 16 pulses per revolution too. Bing, 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 bing. And it should make it'll induce one end of the coils, then the other end, the magnets, then the other end, the other end, the other end. So this will be interesting. Sorry, it's kind of dark out. So you can see here, here's a magnet here, but there's not one straight across. It's empty, but there's, like I was saying, it goes magnet here, magnet here, magnet here, magnet here. So it's alternating the sides, the ends of the coils. So that's my solution. Okay, thanks for watching.